Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please join me. I will use 4.5mm crochet hook and a ball of wool yarn. All additional information about the yarn could be found in the description. It is a very simple pattern, perfect for beginners. Let's get started crocheting. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. My foundation chain is ready. Continue, make a chain and let's crochet the first row. Insert the hook into the second chain, stitch away from the hook, make single crochet. Then single crochet into each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Like this. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. I have done a row of single crochet stitches. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be a row of pattern. It was preparation row. Make a chain. Turn the work. I'm working into the back loops only in this row. Insert the hook into the back loop, then insert the hook into the thread like this. Make single crochet. Insert the hook into the loop that I worked into. Then insert the hook into the next loop, pull up a loop. Make single crochet. Pattern consists of one row and has one stitch. It is very easy to remember. And I remind you, you don't need special skills. You just need to know how to crochet single crochet and know about the loops in the stitch. Work into the back loops only. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete this row with me. You can use this pattern for scarf, snoot or another accessories for winter time. Also, it could be perfect to create kitchen stuff. Let's complete this row with me. Insert the hook into the last stitch. Make single crochet. So I will work with both loops. Make a chain, turn the work, and work in the same way as I showed you before. Insert the hook into the back loops. Make single crochet. 1, 2, and so on. Pattern consists of one stitch and has one round. So I'm making the same way as many stitches as you need for your project in a row. Then I will show you how to complete this row. Let's complete this row with me. Insert the hook into the back loop, then insert the hook into the next loop, make single crochet and make single crochet into the same stitch. My row is ready. Here how it looks. Make a chain, turn the work like this and work with back loops only. I remind you, you can use this pattern anywhere. Here how it looks in variegated yarn. You can use one kind of yarn or combination of 2 or 3 colors. You should repeat the pattern as many times as you need for your current project. Here how my pattern looks like when you are done. I would like to show you the size of my headband. I remind you, I am using variegated yarn. You can use one color of yarn or combination of 2 or 3 colors. Let's measure it. The height is 9 centimeters and the width is 22 centimeters. So let's look at my pattern again. It is a little bit elastic, so it could be perfect like a belt or another stuff for clothing. You should determine the size of your headband by yourself. And at this time I will show you how to join two sides together to create a round. The beginning of the work is closer to me. This is the beginning of the work. I didn't cut off it. And now I show you how to join these two sides. For the joining points, make a chain. I insert the hook into the loop. Then insert the hook into the back loop of the second stitch. Make a slip stitch. Do not pull the slip stitches. Insert the hook into the back loop, then insert the hook into the next back loop. Grab the yarn, pull it through. Insert the hook into the back loop, insert the hook into the next back loop. Also, you can join two sides together using sewing needle. I prefer crochet hook. Please use your imagination to create your own project. You can add a small flower or another accessories for your headband. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. I completed this row and now I show you how to complete the work. To secure the yarn by making a chain, I have already cut off my yarn. Then I will remove my white color of yarn along the stitches. And let's look at the second side. I will remove the brown color of yarn along the stitches on the second side. So that's it, my project is ready. This is the front side of my headband. I remind you, I am using variegated yarn. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook to create your own project. And don't forget about accessories for your project. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. It is very elastic and it is perfect for beginners. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!